In today's video, I'll be reviewing the Mubview battery security camera right after this. If you are new to my channel and would like to stay up to date with the latest tips and tricks for Amazon Fire devices and product reviews, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click on the bell icon for future notifications. Thank you so much. So welcome back to the channel. I know I do apologize for being away for so long. So in today's video, a very nice company by the name of Mubview. You have probably heard of this solar security camera company. As in the past, they have sent me 3 different camera sets in order for the review to try them out and give my true honest opinion. So this is the first set of cameras that they sent. Again, the company is called Mubview. This is their battery security camera, and this is the model number ZS-GX7S. I will also have the link in the description of my video if you are interested to check out at the end of the video. So this is what this box looks like. It's a very small box, and the camera is indeed a small unit, but it's packed with features. So I will be showing you here exactly what the camera can do, and I'll even show you some of the video footage and whatnot. So looking at the side of I want to mention some of the main features of this camera is that it's got motion detection. It also has a built-in two-way audio, which is very nice. So you can speak to the person, and I believe they can speak back to you as well, or you can at least hear them. This also comes with an HD resolution. It has also a warning and playback notifications. Also comes with night vision. Again, I'll show you that in the video sample that I've recorded myself. And I was actually pretty impressed with this, as small as this camera is. It actually has a very nice resolution. And this camera is also rechargeable because it has a built-in battery. You connect to this camera connects to your Wi-Fi, of course, and you also have a choice of signing up for the cloud storage. You can sign up for the plan. I think the plan is $3.99 a month, something like that. But you can check that out in the link once I click on the link, and you can check that out. And you can also set up what they call activity zones. On the bottom, you can see that they have a free available app for Android and iOS and Apple users. It's called the Mubview app, which I'll show you here in a minute once I install the application on my phone. And you can also download the app by scanning this QR code on the bottom right. All you do is pretty much with any smartphone, you just open up your camera and you put your camera facing this QR code, and it will take you to their website, and you can directly download and install their application, which is free, by the way. So looking at the side of this box, you can see that this is a Mubview wireless indoor camera, and this is a 1080 camera, which means it's full HD. You can see their website, and here's their support email address, and here's their phone number just in case you need to get a hold of tech support or the company, just in case you run into any issues or you have any questions. I'm sure they will help you out. And yeah, so this is the front of the box. So let's go ahead and open up the box. Now the box is small and tight, but it's actually packed very well. I do like to mention that to begin with. And then here we can see the user manual, which actually shows also their website, their email address, and their phone number, just in case you need to get a hold of them. Here's a picture of what the camera looks like. Actually, this user manual is actually kind of on the small side, but it's printed very clearly, and it's also in color. It shows you the contents, and it actually walks you through. Here's a camera introduction. It's actually a very nice manual, and it tells you that their app is available for Apple users and Android as well. This is the QR code to download and install their free application in order to connect to your camera and use it. It even tells you how to add the camera in the app. Here's it showing you a picture of how you can add the application. Here is some content, how to connect the camera to the application step by step. It's very easy, to be honest. Here shows you what is the best way to install the camera. And last but not least, here it tells you the indicator lights status, what the buttons do on the back of the camera. I'll explain that here in a minute once I actually show you the camera. And there's a thank you note from the company, and here is some very interesting information on the back of the user manual. Here, this QR code takes you directly to their website. This QR code looks like they have a Facebook page, which is very nice. And the third way you can also get a hold of them is scanning this last QR code, which takes you directly to their YouTube channel, which is very cool. So once we have that out of the way, let's look at what else is inside the box. Now you do get this looks like a maybe 1 or 2 foot USB-C cable. So you have USB-A to USB-C charging cable. And you do want to charge this camera for about 5-6 hours before you start using it, because it has a built-in rechargeable battery. That's what I would recommend. And here is the camera itself, ladies and gentlemen. On the back of the camera, so you can see here, I'm gonna go ahead and remove this. Actually, you can see this is the camera and here's the lens. Okay, and this is an adjustable camera, by the way, so you can tilt it, say, all the way down. Let's see, let's do it from this angle. You can tilt it all the way down, or you can have it straight up, or you can tilt it sideways, by the way. Okay, and then on the back of the camera, here's where you can insert the SD card slot right here, because if you want to save your storage, whether you have pictures or videos, you can store them directly onto an SD card. This is the power button. If you press and hold, I believe, for about 4 or 5 seconds, that turns on your camera, and you do get an indicator light right here. I believe it turns blue. And here's the charging port, and this is the USB-C charging port. And here is a reset button, just in case you need to reset the camera if it's not working or if it's not connecting to your application initially during setup. And then on the side, you have microphones. And this is the top of the camera. This is the right side. And this is just the bottom, basically. And this is where you would install the, like if you want to install it, say, on the side of a wall, or like on the side, rather than just sitting down on, say, a shelf or something, you would use what's provided inside the box, which they do provide you with a pair of 2 screws and these, I forgot what they call these, but they do provide that. They do provide this for installation, so you can install it, say, permanently if you want to. And there's also like one of these hard, like a two-sided sticker, so which will go on the bottom. So you can use this method to install it, or you can use the screw method to install it, more of a permanent installation if you would like. And that's about it, ladies and gentlemen. Alright guys, so before I go ahead and show you how to download and where to get the app and whatnot, and show you all the rich features that this little guy, what kind of awesome features this camera packs, I went ahead and removed the front sticker. You can see the lens and the night vision lens as well there on the front, and you want to have that part obviously nice and clean. You don't want to have any fingerprints and whatnot. And then I did want to clarify something. Once you turn on the camera, the power button is on the left hand side and the reset button is on the right hand side right there. And actually, once you turn on, you want to press and hold the power button for about 5 to 6 seconds, and you will get a notification LED light on the bottom right. Red usually means that the camera is on but is not connected to your Wi-Fi or the application. And then once it's successfully connected, that red light will turn into a solid blue light. But again, read your user manual. I'm not going to show every single step in this video. I don't want to make this video very long. I just want to show you the features and whatnot and how this camera operates. So now the camera is turned on. As you can see, the light is solid blue. So let me go ahead and jump on my phone. I'm going to go ahead and record my phone screen to show you exactly, almost step by step, how to install the application and then how to use this camera and the awesome features that it comes with. Alright guys, so once you have installed the Mubview app to control your battery powered camera, here it is. As you can see, Mubview, it's from developer's name is Wecam, where it says in-app purchases. I've already installed it, as you know. I'm going to go ahead and open the application. And here we are. We can see the camera is trying to load, so I can view the hallway. And you can see a lot of different information here. You can see the battery status on the left hand side. It's 100% charged, as the entire battery status is green. I'm connected to Wi-Fi. There goes how much data it's using. On the right hand side, you can see I can switch from standard to standard definition to high definition, or you can also place it on auto. So I'll just leave it on HD for best quality. There it is. You can also take a screenshot. I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and as you can see, my screenshot is right there on the bottom left. You can hold to talk to the person, or you can record. You just hit the record button. You can see it's recording on the bottom right. It's flashing in red right there. I'm going to go ahead and stop that recording. You can turn on or off motion detection. You can click on that on the bottom left. And as you can see, mine is off. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. And once you turn it on, you can see several features in here that you can toggle on and off. So you can go ahead and customize that to your choice. I'm going to go ahead and turn that off for a moment. And there's also a loud siren. Once you hit the siren, it will say that notice this siren is loud, it may disturb your neighbors. I don't think I want to do that right now. I'm going to go ahead and click cancel. And then anything that you record will go into the album, on the album on the bottom right hand side. As you can see, album, once I clicked on album, you can see all of my 6 videos that I recorded just today. So if you want to play, say, this video right here, you just go here, you just click play, and that was just like a 1-second video. Now if you want to delete that video, you just click on the trash can on the top right of the screen. You select the video that you want to delete, which is, I just selected the one on the top left. Now there's a blue dot marked on the bottom of it. You click delete. This is, are you sure you would like to delete all selected files? I'm going to click OK. And there we are, delete successful. So now there's 5 videos left. I'm going to go back. Yeah, so the app is very user-friendly. And the camera, once you are viewing the camera, if you turn your phone sideways, you can see the screen in full screen mode. And look at how clear this camera is. And it's got a nice wide angle as well, I think so, in my opinion anyways. Yeah, it's very nice. You can see time and date. So I'm going to go ahead and click back. And if you want to go into the settings of the camera, say if you want to rename the camera or not, as right now by default, the number that's on top in the middle of the screen, that's the name of the camera. You can always rename it, of course. So if you go into the settings on the top right of the screen, you toggle on that, and from here you can change alarm management, receive alert notifications, image settings. You can share your device with anyone else that you like. It shows the Wi-Fi signal strength, which is 95%. Electric quantity, that's basically the battery meter. You can change the time zone. You can do a lot of different things. There's an installation guide, location management, work indicator, time setting, sound settings, video encryption, battery management. There's also a cloud storage service, which is, I believe, $3.99 a month. There's also contact us just in case you're having issues with your camera, or you can check for new version for your device. You can restart your device from here, or you can also delete the device, which you can see is highlighted in red on the bottom of the screen. So I'm going to go ahead and back up. So yeah, this battery powered camera works very good, and I definitely like the resolution in it. The viewing angle is pretty good, I think, and the quality of the camera is very nice. Alright guys, so we are at the end of this video. So I hope you guys liked my video. I do apologize for making this video a little bit longer than usual, but I do like to show all the features of such a great quality unit that was sent to me by Mubview. This is a very cool battery security camera, I think so at least. So there's the model number. So if you guys enjoyed my video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you are new to the channel, you can go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything, and if you do, I definitely appreciate that in advance. And if you guys have any questions or comments, go ahead and drop me a line down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next